Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Wednesday. The Dow was the sole U.S. index to end in the red, falling 0.2%, while the S&P 500 was barely changed. The Nasdaq 100 rose, and the small cap Russell 2000 ended up by almost 1%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, 5 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with energy up by the most, 2.5%, followed by industrials. To the downside, utilities fell 1.9%, followed by real estate. Looking at some stocks on the move, Exxon Mobil hit its all-time high today, based on data going back to 1972, as crude oil hit a 52-week high. It's the 4th straight session of gains for the stock, and it comes after the EIA said U.S. crude inventories fell 2.2 million barrels last week, in line with market expectations. The U.S. crude futures benchmark rose nearly 4% on the back of supply restrictions. The Justice Department charged eBay with allowing the sale of illegal pesticides and emissions bypass devices for vehicles. The complaint alleges that eBay violated a long list of environmental laws. eBay responded, saying the government's actions are entirely unprecedented, and the company intends to vigorously defend itself. Shares closed down around 1.4%. And Cloudflare shares jumped nearly 7%, with the company announcing partnerships with Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia. The Meta partnership will offer developers on its platform access to Meta's open source language model. With Microsoft, Cloudflare will enable AI models to run anywhere. And the partnership with Nvidia allows the company to power hyper-local AI inference. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. We have GOP data, jobless claims, and the Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Index to be released. And then CarMax, Accenture, and Nike will report earnings. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.